Good morning, students. In my previous video, I told you exercises of chapter 2 kinds of sentences. We had completed exercise A, B, C, D. Now we are going to start exercise E. Change the following sentences into negative. We have to change these sentences into negative sentence. First is pigeon is the bird that has a healthy body. Exercise E. Sentence 1. Pigeon is the bird that not has a healthy body. Okay. Pigeon is the bird that not has a healthy body. Now come to the second sentence. My watch has been out of order for many days. My watch has not been out of order for many days. My watch has not been out of order for many days. Now come to sentence 3. Will you join us on our mission? Will you not join us on our mission? Question mark. Will you not join us on our mission? Now come to sentence 4. People should place their motherland above their personal benefit. People should not place their motherland above their personal benefit. Full stop. People should not place their motherland above their personal benefit. Now come to sentence 5. Come and join us in the play. It should be do not. Come and join us in the play. Do not come and join us in the play. Come to the sixth sentence. I like to read science book. I do not like to read science book. Okay. Now come to sentence 7. Dogs like to chase cats. Dogs do not like to chase cats. Dogs do not like to chase cats. Come to sentence 8, the last one. He makes model from clay. He does not make model from clay. Okay, exercise E has completed. Now come to exercise F. Exercise F. Match both the columns correctly and write the complete sentences. Who has it should be cheated you knowingly. Column A, column B. Okay. Now sentence A. 1. Who has cheated you knowingly? Full question mark. Okay. Now come to sentence 2. She will not reach here tomorrow afternoon. Full stop. Okay. Now come to sentence 3. Prashini plays tennis with me in the evening. Plays tennis with me in the evening. Okay. Now come to exercise sentence 4. Why don't you buy your own pen? Now come to sentence 5. Abhishek lent me his car for one day. Full stop. Abhishek lent me his car for one day. Now, sentence 6. Get my letter posted. Full stop. Sentence 7. What a lovely sight. Exclamation mark. Okay. What a lovely sight. Now come to exercise G. Identify the kinds of following sentences. We have to identify which kind of sentence. Okay. Exercise G. Sentence 1. We did not create any problem for anyone. This one is negative sentence. Negative sentence. Okay. Now look at second question. Second sentence. Why do you behave so irresponsibly? Question mark. Here question mark has given, that's why this sentence is interrogative. Interrogative sentence. Okay. Now come to the third sentence. Stop that nonsense now. This one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Okay. Now come to sentence 4. What a movement by common people. This one is exclamatory sentence because exclamation mark has given. Okay. Look at question sentence 5. Anushka and Bharti are the most famous personalities of our city. That is a statement. That's why assertive sentence. Now look at sentence 6. Why don't you make a timetable at home also? Here the word why and question mark. That's why this sentence is interrogative. Okay. The exercise G has done. Look at exercise H. Make questions for the following answers. These are answers. We have to make questions. First one is question. I shall wait for you at the railway station. Question should be, will you wait for me at railway station? Question mark. Each sentence we have to make question, so we have to put question mark. Okay. Now sentence 2. They are not good soccer player. Are they not good soccer players? Question mark. Okay. Now look at sentence 3. You will bring vegetables from the market. Will you bring vegetables from the market? Question mark. Okay. Now come to sentence 4. I saw her on Monday. When did you see her? When did you see her? Question mark. Okay. Now come to the sentence 5. The book lying on the table is mine. Whose book is lying on the table? Question mark. Come to the sentence 6. The boy playing cricket is my brother. Who is the boy? The boy playing cricket? Question mark. Okay. Come to the sentence 7. My sister is 3 years old. How old is your sister? Question mark. Okay. Look at sentence 8. My father gave me this watch. Who gave you this watch? Question mark. Now with exercise H, your chapter 2 had completed. Okay. Thank you.